Hello everyone, hi there, what's happening? Yes, the second Sudoku. A regular Sudoku is a medium Sudoku in today's newspaper of Wednesday, August the 26th, 2020. The second one is a medium Sudoku. Let me focus this, and this will be a number 1410. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers so you have an indication the difficulty level. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars in the additional. Let me count. We have here 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 2 is 11, plus 4 is 15, plus 3 is 9, 18. 15, 3 is 18, plus 4 is 22, plus 4 is 26, 27, 28. 28? Wow, let me count this again. 2, 6, 10, 13, 17, 19, 21, 25. Yes, 28. So it's easier than the 1 star Sudoku. Yes, it's a half star Sudoku. Yes, half star Sudoku. All right, let's get started. Which number shall I pick? Let me see. We have three. Yeah, we have here a 6 in this row, the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. In the middle row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 boxes left in the middle row for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 4 goes there. Then. Yeah, we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So in the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Oh, there we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with 3. How about the number? The number. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so in the row between. The only place for the 1 should be there. How about 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the 5 and the 8. We have a 5 and an 8 in this column. So no 5 and an 8 in these two boxes. So the 5 and the 8 goes in those two boxes. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 8 goes there. These two numbers are left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. Let me mark them for you. It's easier to follow. That means the other two numbers in this column, we have here the 2 and the 9, should be the numbers 7 and the 6. 7 and the 6. Let me mark them. 7 and the 6. 7 and the 6. The other two numbers in this big square, the 5 and the 9. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. There 9, no 9 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 2. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes. First digit. Alright. Now. Let me see. How about the number? The number. One number left in this column. For the number 7, these two numbers in this big square are left for the numbers 4 and 8. Let me mark them for you. 4 and 8. It's a pair. It's a pair. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4. No 4 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them for you so you can follow it easier. It's a pair. That means 1 box left in the last row for the number 5. 5 is missing. Alright. 5 missing numbers here. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2. Alright. Then 7 in this column, first column, 7 in the third column, so the second column. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. That means in this row, we have a 7 in one of these 2 boxes. So in that box cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 6, and that box should be the 7. We have a 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And now we have a 7 here. That means this box cannot be a 7 anymore. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3. 2 boxes left in this column, the 2 and the 8, the 2 and the 8, we see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 2. Then 8 and the 1. 8 and the 1 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. How about this row? In this row, 1 digit left should be the number 8. 8. How about yeah, 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 4, alright. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and the 8. No. How about these 2 numbers in the third row, the 1 and the 4? 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. No. These 3 numbers, 4, 8, and the 1. I need an extra number. Okay, 4, 2. 2, 4, and 3. 3, yes. The second column, one of the missing numbers is 3. We are missing the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. These 2 should be the 1 and the 8. That means 1 box left in this row for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 in this third column, 4 in this first column. So in the second column, the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 8. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this second column for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 1. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 8. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 1 box left in this row for the number 8. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes exactly. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in a minute with the third regular Sudoku. It will be a killer Sudoku. So, see you later. Bye-bye for now.